Hello, today I will be speaking about breathing exercises. These breathing exercises are very important in current situation of corona pandemic also, and otherwise also you have to include these exercises in your routine. When you do whole body exercise, give 5 minutes for breathing exercises. Okay? So Uh, if you have seen a small baby who is sleeping, his tummy goes up and down, and he is breathing by his with his tummy going up and down. Similarly, when we adults are relaxed, that time, if you observe when we are relaxed, we are sitting in the chair or sleeping, our tummy goes up and down little bit, and we are taking our breath like that. But when we are excited, we are running or we are stressed, we are thinking about something, we are hyper, our chest moves more than our tummy. So our aim is always we should be relaxed, whatever situation we are tackling the situation, but still in our mind we should be doing that work with a relaxed mind, and our tummy should be going up and down when we are doing our respiration. But when we are doing exercise, we take some special efforts, as when we go to gym or we do asana, or that time we are purposely uh, with some extra efforts we are doing that movement. Similarly, when you are doing breathing exercise, you have to consciously do some movements. What you have to do, you have to push in your tummy, like take in your tummy forcefully. When you take in your tummy forcefully, there is a there is one muscular layer. It is called diaphragm. Okay, it is like a partition between chest and abdomen. So when you push, you take in your tummy, this diaphragm goes up like this, and when diaphragm goes up, these lungs are compressed, and when lungs get compressed, the air in the lung is pushed out from our mouth. Similarly, when you take your tummy out, when you take your tummy out, this diaphragm, which was like this, now it goes down. So this lung area increases. And when this lung area increases, the air goes in. Okay. So our tummy, we have to take in forcibly. That time we are blowing out the air, full quantity of air which is in your lung. You have to blow it out, and then take out your tummy as much as you can. That time air will go in from your mouth. Okay. So what happens with this? Your that muscular diaphragm is getting exercise, your abdomen is getting exercise, it is becoming strong. These muscles are becoming strong. So if at all in future you get corona infection or any infection, or there is a chance that you may uh, land into trouble and there is going to happen some breathing difficulty, but because you have prepared your lungs and diaphragm and abdomen from the beginning, so you won't feel that much of breathing difficulty. Okay, so you have to prepare from now when you are healthy. So I will demonstrate you. First I will push out all the air from the lung by taking my tummy in suddenly, and then I will take my tummy out. That time I will take in the air. So first observe and then do. First expiration. Okay, and now inspiration. Now again expiration. Now inspiration. I'm showing my hand as if it is a tummy. Tummy going out, tummy going in. Okay, again I will show you. Okay, so like that you have to do for 5 minutes and repeat this twice or thrice in a day. When you are doing whole body exercise, you have to do this breathing exercise also. Then there are some pranayam techniques and all, but doing this breathing exercise is also sufficient. Okay. One more thing I would like to tell you that instead of blowing out in open air, if you blow out in a rubber balloon, the balloon which children uh, blow. So take a rubber balloon and blow into that. Okay. So this gives you more exercise because you are blowing against a resistance of that rubber. So you can try doing that. And one another method which is little easier than blowing the balloon, which is take a glass full of water, put a straw in it, and blow into that. Suppose this is a straw, blow into the straw, let the bubbles appear in the water, so that water also gives you some more resistance. Like this, take your abdomen in and blow into the straw. So you can exercise in this way also. If you cannot do, then the way I told you earlier, that is also sufficient. Do watch my other videos and also subscribe if you like this information, and do watch other important videos also, and do share with your loved ones. That will benefit everyone. Thank you very much. Bye.